Greetings, prospective Bulldogs student-athletes. I am Mr. Nick Nese. I have the privilege of being the Director of Athletics here at Passaic County Technical-Vocational Schools. Here at PCTVS, we offer over 30 interscholastic sports spread out over the course of 3 seasons at the varsity, junior varsity, and freshman levels. We participate in the Big North Conference, which is one of the greatest conferences on the East Coast, and specifically in northern New Jersey. I'd ask that you take some time to explore the options offered here at PCTVS in regards to extracurricular activities and athletics. Please know that the district is committed to increasing our sport offerings, as in recent years we've offered sports like girls and boys lacrosse, girls and boys fencing, and most recently ice hockey, in an attempt to increase sport offerings and student-athlete opportunities. You can review some of these activities by taking a look at our fall, winter, and spring promotional videos, as well as last year's 2019-2020 Senior Athletic Awards movie. We look forward to the opportunity to meeting our future Bulldog student-athletes and continuing in our tradition of athletic excellence.